If you want to learn how to sell ebooks, come closer. So in this video, we are going to use Canva Smart Mockups to create a digital product of which we can sell on Gumroad. The digital product is an ebook. I've already done a tutorial on how to create an ebook with Canva templates. You can look at the card up here or in the description below for you to see how those ebooks are done. It is very important to watch that video because it is in relation to whatever we are coming to do over here. Some of you may ask, why should I even sell digital products or ebooks? Well, I guess if you have people that you are mentoring or people that you are training, I think selling courses to them made from you and your own experiences to share your knowledge and skills is very important. So let's say you're a researcher. You can create an ebook having tips and tricks inside that you can just introduce to people, or you can sell to people that are following you in order to make a little bit of money from it. If you are into academia or into policy review, whereby you write numerous papers, you can compile all those papers and put it inside an ebook, and you can sell to people for them to read. If you've made it this far, please make sure to like, subscribe and share because I have a lot of content coming up your way. Without much further ado, let's move on. So we are going to use Smart Mockups to mock up our ebook. So we are now in Canva. So the first thing you need to do is select the first page, which is the cover page. You come to share, you go to more and type Smart Mockups. And you click on Smart Mockups. You select the page that you want the mockups to be done. In this case, page 1. You go to save and your Smart Mockup has been done for you. So what you can do is to click on view in Smart Mockups. And every preview here depicts how your book will be if printed on a shirt, how your book will be if it is on a laptop or a computer. So in this case, you select books, then you look at the various designs of which your book cover can be made. So we select any one that we want. We can select this one. So once it loads, then you can download it. So you can see how your book has been mocked up by Smart Mockups. Okay, so we are now at Gumroad. You see Gumroad has a very nice interface. First thing you need to do when you come to Gumroad is to create your first product. So you click here and you can see the various specifications of whatever products that you want to sell. So since we are selling ebooks, we just click on here, then we list the estimated price. So let's say $10. We go to customize. So the next thing you need to do is to create a description for your product. So when you are done creating your product description, you come here and you upload your cover page. So this is where you upload the mockup. This is where the mockups become very, very essential. So your mockup has been uploaded. You can click here to preview it. So you see how nicely it has been represented over here. So you just go ahead and select your call to action, which is maybe buy this, pay, and I want this. Normally, a lot of people use I want this. Over here, you can upsell to people that want to sell your product. You are not going to touch upon that now. You can invite your customers and also invite your customers to a Discord server. These things are very advanced and I would not want to touch upon them now. We just want to focus on deploying your digital products so that you can sell them to people. So when you're done with everything, you click on save and continue. So this is where you insert your PDF file. So you click here and go to computer files and you locate wherever it is your PDF file was. So when everything is said and done, you just click publish and continue. When you're done, they'll give you a Twitter link, you'll give you a Facebook link, and you can also copy this URL and you can embed it upon your social media posts that people can click on to buy this digital product from. And so if someone clicks on your link, this is the page the person will be directed to. So the person can just name a fair price, which is maybe $0, and click I want this. The person will be able to download it. If you've made it this far, please make sure to like, subscribe and share because I have a lot of content coming up your way. Remember, if you cannot create ebooks, if you've even watched my tutorial on how to create ebooks and still cannot do it, you can contact me and we can do something together. That is all I have for you guys. Please make sure to like, subscribe and share because I have a lot of content coming up your way that you would benefit from. Until then, it's goodbye.